Hello cats and kittens, Blair here at Pony Studios, and I'm going to teach you how to do your touch-up, quarantine touch-up. Before you do anything, I want you to brush through your hair and make sure you get all the little tangles out. And then after you do that, I'm going to have you use any kind of lotion, and you're going to use it as a barrier around your hairline. This is going to help prevent any kind of staining. Now time to mix. So put your gloves on. And you're going to be, mixing hair color. So make sure that you've got an extra towel, just in case you get any spots anywhere. And you want to make sure that you're wearing a shirt that you aren't afraid to get color on. I'm obviously afraid to get color on this, so I'm just going to be mixing up conditioners today as an example. Button-ups are always good too. So the developer is usually the more liquidier one, so that'll be easier to pour. So I'm going to take my developer and pour that into my color. I just want to make sure you see that. Perfect. And then you're going to want to mix it. So I'm going to squeeze the excess air out of the tube. And then I'm gonna put my finger on the tip and I'm gonna shake for a minute or two until everything is completely mixed together. You can also squeeze in the different direction. Boop. 1 or 2 minutes. So I've combed my hair backwards so I can do my hairline. And I'm going to shake the contents down to the bottom, make a line, and smudge backwards. This is my 4th time making this video, so it looks a little saturated already. It's a lot of conditioner. And I'm gonna do the same thing around the sides and blending that in with my finger, soft, just pushing it in, pushing it back, and I'm going right towards the line of demarcation, just a hair past it. And I'm gonna make some lines on the side. And this will help me go like an inch back into my hairline. And I'm gonna blend that in also. And then I'm gonna part my hair down my favorite parting, making sure to try and not put the color too far past the lengths. We don't wanna get this on any of your highlights. We're not trying to refresh your hair. Please don't put this on the lengths of your hair or your eyebrows. So I've got a nice little organized parting down the middle of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead, shake that color down, make a little line, push, 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 push. And then I'm gonna go right next to it. And then make another little line. And I can push that in as well. Great. Now it's time to process. So most of your stylists will let you know how long to process your hair color for. I'm gonna set my timer for 35 minutes on my phone. And after I'm done processing, I'm gonna go into the shower, hopefully take off my shirt very easily. Button-ups are pretty good for that, and an old shirt that I'm not worried about getting hair color on. Tilt your head backwards and let the water rinse out all of the color till the water is clear, and shampoo, conditioner is normal. I hope this video was helpful. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. We're here for you. Stay safe, stay sane, stay healthy, and we really look forward to seeing you on the other side of all this. Thanks so much.